Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the world of 1970s American luxury and muscle, taking a closer look at a truly underrated classic, the 1973 Pontiac Luxury LeMans. A car that blended premium comfort with Pontiac performance, this model stands out as one of the most stylish midsize classics of its era. Let's dive into what made it special. Exterior. The exterior of the 1973 Pontiac Luxury LeMans carries that unmistakable early 70s American elegance. Up front, you get the bold split grille design that Pontiac was famous for, framed by quad rectangular headlights introduced that year. The long, sculpted hood and clean body lines give it a confident, upscale presence on the road. This car also featured distinctive opera windows on the C-pillars, adding a touch of formality and luxury. Chrome accents run along the bumpers, window frames, and rocker panels, giving the entire car a premium and polished look. Whether in coupe or sedan form, the 73 Luxury LeMans succeeds in looking classy, powerful, and refined at the same time. Interior. Moving into the interior, Pontiac focused heavily on comfort and upscale materials. The cabin welcomes you with plush padded seats, available in high-quality vinyl or luxurious cloth. The dashboard showcases Pontiac's signature wraparound design with wood grain trim that makes the interior feel warm and premium. The car offered features like air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and even optional power windows, all impressive conveniences for the early 1970s. Noise insulation was improved for that year, making the ride noticeably quieter. With spacious legroom, wide cushioned seats, and a soft suspension setup, the Luxury LeMans truly lived up to its name. Performance. Under the hood, the 1973 Luxury LeMans came with several engine choices, giving buyers the freedom to choose comfort, performance, or a bit of both. The standard engine was a smooth 250 inline-six, ideal for daily cruising. But most buyers opted for Pontiac's legendary version 8s, the 350 cubic inch V8 or the stronger 400 cubic inch V8. These engines delivered solid torque, responsive acceleration, and the deep Pontiac exhaust note enthusiasts love. Paired with a turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, the car provided a relaxed, effortless driving experience. While 1973 brought stricter emissions regulations, the Luxury LeMans still managed to deliver respectable performance and a confident, well-balanced ride. Its soft suspension soaked up road imperfections with ease, making it great for long highway drives. So, what's the verdict? The 1973 Pontiac Luxury LeMans is a forgotten gem, a car that combines classic Pontiac styling, a comfortable and upscale interior, and a range of strong engine options. It sits at the crossroads of luxury and muscle, making it a fascinating choice for collectors today. If you're into 70s American cars that offer elegance without sacrificing character, the Luxury LeMans deserves a place on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1973 Pontiac Luxury LeMans, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss future classic car content. See you in the next video.